So you know how my voice sounds like a piece of crap. It's probably because that I record on a phone, and you know how it sounds when you record on phones. So you know how like when you say something at the microphone, it's like you sound really good. You sound really good. But when you listen to it, it's like, ooh, oh my God, I bought this new iPhone. Cool. Yeah, so, yeah, cool. Yeah, Happy New Year's. Bye. Like and subscribe for a new video. Yeah, just like and subscribe, please. Please. Please.